Swerte.
He did it.
He even used the 15. Yeah, that was.
This isn't that easy. Well, no, it's not.
Apparently, there goes the nerves. He's giving everything. This is a little tricky exhibition. We're gonna see a bank here.
He's not doing
He
himself
might
any
even play an
favors.
insurance here. He'll put the ball. He's gonna shoot it in the pocket of the 8. There you go. Use the 8. Ouch!
That isn't.
Because it went right through the 8 ball. Oh!
Tataka nga ako kung bakit paano nangyari yun, yung ganong tira. So siya lang nakagawa talaga nun, kaya tinawag siyang The Magician.
Magandang hapon
And I'm sure it's thanks to my little interview before that.
and
Even
commentary
Efren looked
videos.
happy. Right?
For today's
Yeah,
reaction
Efren's
video,
happy.
pag-usapan
He looked
natin
happy
at bigyan ng pansin itong laban ni Efren Reyes dito sa kanyang invitational match. Laban dito kay Max Martinez. Isa itong 8-ball
Four ball down on the
invitational
break.
championship match at dito nga maglalaban sila sa
Some candy.
8-ball race to 4 with winners break
Wondering
format.
who's-
Nilabanan ni Efren Reyes dito yung isa sa pinakamagagaling na Mexican pool master na si Martinez. At dito nga pwedeng manalo ng $20,000 ang magcha-champion. Nasa final match na sila mga kabilyard at makikita natin dito
Usually don't like their,
si Efren Reyes at saka itong si Max Martinez. Mapapansin natin winners break format, maganda yung posisyon ng bola dito kay Reyes. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
So now it's harder to talk with nerds in our mouths.
Efren here missing a bank shot, so Max is gonna get back on the table. Are we looking at the first win for tonight?
Yep, the first win for tonight.
If he's able to clear this rack, then looks like.
Let me figure out how to share this
Okay.
with all the pool groups.
At dito nga mapapansin natin na sa table itong si Max Martinez. Nagminti
he
siya
missed
doon
that
mga
shot,
kabilyard.
Unfortunately.
Isa ito sa pinakamagandang laban ni Reyes dito sa mga Mexican. Talagang makikita natin magagaling sa pool hustler itong mga Mexicano nito, lumalaban ng perahan ito mga kabilyard. At dito nga sa $20,000 na ito, 1 million sa peso, makikita natin dito si Martinez talagang mukhang sumusugal lang siya. Pero si Efren Reyes, makita natin relax lang siya dahil
They found it better.
lahat
I don't
ng
know,
mga
some
laro
faster
dito
than
talagang
you.
kalmante dahil very
Hello,
kumpiyansa
Mama
si
Makati and
Reyes sa
Jimmy.
kanyang
Jimmy, we
paglalaro.
miss you over here.
Muntik pang pumasok yung
Why didn't you come over?
bank shot na yun sa side pocket mga kabilyard pero back to table itong si Martinez.
Efren has turned the table over to Max again, but it's not an easy layout for him. And if he's missing shots, then he's definitely.
At dito nga
gonna make
pangalawang
things
mintis ni
more difficult.
Martinez makikita natin mukhang kumuha pa
Yep,
siya
I
ng
hope
tempo at
the pool
kagagaling
the pool
lang
communities
sa
that I keep
travel itong
sharing
si
this
Martinez
link
kaya
and
medyo
spreading it out,
kumukuha pa siya
don't
ng
get too pissed at
momentum.
me because the
Sa
link
ganun
keeps
pa man si
changing
Reyes
through the
ito
day.
mukhang nasa momentum na siya
No,
kaya
I
tingnan
try
natin
to
kung ma-run out niya itong rack number
share as
1
much
ito.
as I
Race to
can.
4 lang ito mga kabilyard 8 ball yung kanilang
For those of
match
you who
at
are members
makita
yet of
natin
On Cue News for you,
$20,000
please
ang pwedeng
join
makumasungkit
us.
nila dito. Simpleng laro lang ito mga kabilyard
We
at
are the biggest
invitational.
pool
Lahat ng mga
community
pumunta rito
on
nasa
FB.
32 players at dito nga nasa final match na itong si Martinez at si Efren Reyes.
Okay, that wasn't a good shot for Efren there.
South Golden Breakers Association, JNP Billiards Group, Metro East Billiards, Quezon City Billiards. Who else?
Quezon City Billiards. Where are they based?
Something. Wait. Quezon City.
Muntik
Yeah,
pang
I know, but I
sumabla
mean,
yung tira
which
doon ni
pool
Reyes,
hall?
pero
Which
ganun
one?
pa man
Which
nagawa
pool
niya
hall?
na
The name of the
i-packet
group?
yun, no?
The group was Quezon
Solid
City
ball itong
Pool
si Reyes,
Players.
alanganin itong
I don't
dos
know
dahil
Really?
nakaharang
Yeah,
itong
I don't
chess.
know.
At tingnan natin kung
Hey,
makagawa ng
neighbors.
paraan dito si Reyes kung may
Yeah, but
are
break
they-
yung
are they
dos na
watching?
yan.
Is
So
that
Yeah, I
panoorin
don't
natin
know
mga
who's-
kabilyard.
You can't tell from what group they're coming
Okay,
from.
yeah.
Well, at least I can't tell. Billiard.net.
Okay. There's a bit of a cluster now here. And Efren is trying to
Okay.
figure out how he's going to get out of it.
I just shared it again. Jaynard is watching. Jaynard Orke. Where are you? You didn't even drop by.
Dito makikita natin medyo hirap sa
Bit
positioning
of an
itong si
awkward
Reyes, no?
stretch here for
At
Efren
medyo
to
gipit.
try to get this
Tingnan
shot.
natin kung may pasok niya yung 5 doon sa corner pocket at may break niya itong dos. Chance niya ito para makakuha ng magandang tira dito si Reyes. At dito nga mukhang binigyan niya lang ng konting saltik, no, para lumayo yung dos at yung 5. Pero ganun pa man, may possible shot dito si Martinez. So panoorin natin kung makarun out siya dito sa rack number 1.
My eyes are bad. Okay,
Max still has some
Max.
like a problem ball here now.
the 12 ball. Uh-oh. Now
Uh-oh,
he's got
well,
an
but
extra
he
problem.
didn't need to get that
Doon nga
far,
medyo
though,
sumablay na
unfortunately.
naman
No
itong
problem
kalaban ni
anymore. Yeah.
Reyes, no? Mapapansin natin
He won't
dito
get the
talagang
shooting.
may pagkakalagyan ito kapag ganyan parati ang tira nitong
He knows
si Marks.
That
At
was
dito
another
sinampulan
missed
na ni
opportunity.
Reyes.
That was short.
Last 2 balls si Reyes, no? At makita natin mukhang aangat na itong dos na ito sa
He may run
sa
into
tira na yan ni Reyes at
Oh, he's
makakuha
fine.
ng ball position dito sa 8. At dito medyo manipis pa at
okay.
sumemplang, no, yung tira doon ni Reyes.
He's scratching
Nag-clip
his
hanging
head
mga
and
kabilyard
that's-
kaya nagkaroon pa ng
But
chance
that's
itong si Martinez. So panoorin natin, mukhang mahirap ito dahil nakaharang
That's true.
itong
He blocked the
dalawang
pocket.
balls to be
bola.
blocked.
Yeah, he blocked the pocket there. Let's see how Max is gonna figure
Kasmot's
this
watching
out.
too. Hello, Kasmot. Shoot it and play safe. Yeah, call a safety. Or just shoot it.
Dito nga mukhang intentional na nagagawin na reverse bank shot ni Reyes itong 8, no? At medyo mahirap ito mga kabilyard pero tingnan natin kung magawa ni
Like he did
Reyes.
earlier.
Bank shot, pinakarga pa sa 15.
He did
Pasok
it.
yung
And he
8,
did it.
napakaganda ng
He
ginawa
even
ni
used the
Reyes.
15. Yeah, that was
1-0 tayo mga kabilyard at dito panibagong kalaban na naman, no? At makikita natin nasa 1-0 na si Efren Bata Reyes. Sundan natin mga
It's
kabilyard.
1-0 for the Magician.
At dito nga sa rack number 2 mga kabilyard, ang makakalaban naman dito ni Efren Reyes ay isang magaling na pool master ng China, no? At walang iba kundi si Yinan Chu. Dito nga makikita natin talagang pinagtutulungan na itong si Efren Reyes ng 4 na pinakamagagaling na pool player, no? So invitational match ito mga kabilyard. Tingnan natin kung matalo lahat ni Reyes ito at maging champion dito sa invitational match na ito. Asian Pool, no, yung kanilang pinaglalabanan diyan, Asian Pool invitational match. So makikita natin maganda yung position nitong kalaban pero alanganin, no, tingnan natin kung makagawa siya ng paraan diyan. Mahusay din itong isang Chinese na player, no, mukhang Singaporean mga kabilyard, no, at ang kalaban niya it's either Singaporean ito at Malaysian. So Makita natin doon sa kanyang logo, Singaporean yata itong kalaban niya, hindi Chinese. Ito nga, maganda pa rin yung pinapakita ng tira, medyo malakas. Para 4 lang sana yun, pero ito nga, napalakas yan. So tingnan natin kung makabawi dito si Reyes. At dito mukhang nag-play safe lang itong si Chu, no? Tinago niya yung mga bola doon at inilayo niya dito kay Reyes. Aiming si Reyes dito sa 9. Pasok ang 9 at maganda ang ball position niya dito sa mga next object ball. So tingnan natin mga kabilyard, no, kung ma-run out ni Reyes ito at ma-eliminate itong isa pang kalaban.
Check, check, check. Check, check. Okay lang. Hey, hey, check.
Doon nga, napakaganda nung ginawang tira na yun ni Reyes dahil dyan, last ball siya dito sa tira na ito. At yun nga, pumasok yung 8, panalo na naman si Efren Reyes dyan. 2 puntos na dito kay Reyes, no? Pangatlong laban, pangatlong player. Sino bang makakalaban dito ni Reyes? Isa sa pinakamagagaling na pool master din ng Asia. At doon ay push yung 3, no? Dito makikita natin yung swerte ni Reyes sa kanyang pagbe-break na yan. May available siya pa siya. Ito si Esteban Robles. So mukhang Asian din ito mga kabilyard. Tingnan natin yung nationality nito si Esteban Robles.
Doesn't really have an easy shot here. He's got the 1 ball though. He takes on the. He's deciding to take on the stripes to make it in. This event was done. We are the hosts, the Manila Patriots, by my good friend and partner of the Manila Patriots, owner Jesse Gonzalez Camboza. This setup is thanks to him and his team. Efren slowly taking the rack apart.
At dito nga makikita natin nakaposisyon na si Reyes sa stripe ball, no, ang mga matataas na bola yan, at makita natin dito medyo may mga cluster sa bandang gilid, no. Tingnan natin kung makaposisyon si Reyes na magandang tira dito at ma-run out niya ito. Ayun, pinalusot pa ni Reyes doon sa pagitan ng 4 at saka ng 5. Medyo dumikit yung 6, no, dito sa 11. Alanganin ito mga kabilyard, pero kailangan ma-break yan ni Reyes, kaya sundan pa rin natin to.
Lawrence being assistant manager, together with our team led by Senor Tim Gosnell, the Goose as everybody fondly calls him. Please come over to the Winford Resort and Casino to watch All these players coming from 8 different countries. We have 8 cities vying for the top team spot. We have the Manila Patriots, the Singapore Slingers.
At dito nga, pinakarga ni Reyes doon yun, pero masama yung pagkakatama. 11 at saka 8 na lang ang kalaban dito, mga kabilyard, no? Makikita natin yung focus ni Reyes. Mukhang naipasok pa doon sa corner pocket at lumabas pa yung cue ball.
Sorry, did I
Napakaganda
miss
ng
anyone?
cue ball positioning dito ni Reyes. Last ball si Reyes, no? Mukhang nga abante na naman ang isang puntos dito si Reyes, mga kabilyard. At dito nga, ito na, tinira na ni Reyes itong 8. Pasok yung 8.
Okay, ties it up,
Panalo
1
naman si
all.
Reyes dito, mga kabilyard.
We also have the from Korea, Seoul Crushers. Also a very good contender in this event. Should have run into the ball a little stronger. Almost.
I almost want to give that to him.
Okay, yeah, now he has another chance. Efren just scratched on the
Dito
break.
sa
Yeah.
rack number 4, mga kabilyard, mukhang masama yung
So you were
pagkakabreak
so
dyan ni
close
Reyes.
earlier and
Na foul yan,
Close
kaya
him
bulinan advantage dito kay sa kalaban
Well,
niya.
at
No?
least he was right
So
at
sino
the
naman
beginning
kaya
when he
itong
said he's
kalaban ni
going to do
Reyes
better
dito?
than
Alamin
everybody
natin yung
else.
pangalan niya, mga
Pretty
kabilyard.
much.
so far.
So far, yeah. That's a lot more shots than everybody
Yeah,
else.
almost. No. Wow, it's a mess down there with the 11 ball.
At dito nga napag-alaman natin, mga kabilyard, na ang makalaban naman ni Reyes dito sa rack number 4 ay si Gabi Fadja, no? Isa ito sa mga Asian pool master din, pero mukhang mahihirapan siya dito dahil naka-cluster itong 1, 2
Try
at
to
saka
free up
itong
the 11
13.
ball.
So mahirap yung table na ito, mga kabilyard. Tingnan natin kung ano mga diskarte nila dito. Sundan natin.
Maybe you can play a safe here. Speed up the 11 ball, trying to hide it. Not did not succeed. He's got the 4 ball, and now one ball next. Go behind the 5 ball.
At dito nga nakabalik sa table si Reyes dahil nga nag-break na lang yung kalaban niya doon, no, para makakuha ng magandang tira. Dito naman sinamantala ni Reyes yung kalaban niya dahil nga wala na siyang tira doon. Tingnan natin, nasa solid ball itong si Reyes. May run out niya ba ito? Itong rack number 4 na ito, mga kabilyard. Panoorin natin.
2 ball passes the 5. He may even run into the 11 just like that to open it up. Stun this towards to get to the 2 ball. Oh, draw! Wow, nice shot there. He
What
didn't
did I
quite get
miss?
where he wanted to go. He's looking. He might even go behind the 3 here. This is. He'll draw right behind the 3.
At dito nga, 2 bola na lang itong si Reyes. Pinaikot niya pa itong cue ball, no, para pumosisyon dito sa 3. Napakahusay ng positioning dyan ni Reyes. Talagang pang malakasan, no, yung ginawang position ni Reyes dito.
That was showtime for you.
Mukhang
He could have
nagulat pa
easily
itong
just shot
kalaban
that
ni
ball.
Reyes na si Fadja. At dito makikita natin yung husay at galing ni Reyes, no, sa mga ganyang klaseng tira. Talagang yun nga lang, medyo makapal lang
Is
yung
that
tira doon
giving
ni Reyes.
Gabby another chance?
Pero
It's always good to be
mukhang
in
alanganin, no, yung
Latter
tira.
part when you're
Pero
playing
tingnan
Efren,
natin kung
because
makabawi dito
there's
si
a chance you
Fadja.
might get tired from running all those racks, then your chance is getting better.
Picking off all those
Right?
other
Yeah,
opponents.
killing everyone else. You know, that's like 6 straight racks in a row, right?
Yeah.
You'd get tired from that. Gabby overran this. And the 9 ball go in. Yeah, looks like it. Okay, he's in perfect shape for this. This is going to be a memory he will cherish for sure.
Yeah, indeed. But
And-
let's not
And it's recorded.
count our chickens, our eggs rather, before they hatch. It's not over yet.
Let's see.
Dito nga, last 2 ball na rin. Itong si Fadja,
He hit
makikita
himself. He
natin
makes a mistake
talagang
on this one.
may pagkakalagyan talaga dito si Reyes. Medyo malakas pa no yung tira doon ni Fadja, pero ganoon pa man,
Nerves.
medyo easy shot na ito sa mga ganyang
This
klaseng
isn't that
players.
easy.
So 3-1, 3-0 yung score dito mga
Well,
kabilyar.
no,
At
it's not.
dito medyo
Apparently there
yung
goes the nerves.
manipis pa rin ang tira
He's
ni
giving
Fadja.
Efren a hard time
Medyo
now. I
minalas
think
pa si Fadja
This is a
doon.
little tricky
Ito, tingnan
exhibition.
natin mukhang,
We're gonna see a back
ibabang
here.
He's
shot
not
ni
doing
He
himself
might
any
even play
favors.
insurance
Itong,
here. He'll put the
last ball para doon sa corner pocket. So
He's
tingnan
gonna
natin
shoot it
mga
in the
kabilyar.
pocket of the 8. There you go. Use the 8.
At dito
Ouch!
reverse bank shot
That
yung
is
ginawang
an
tira doon ni
exhibition.
Reyes na napakaganda ng pinalusot niya pa doon sa 8. At ito, last ball si Reyes. Mukhang mananalo na naman si Reyes.
Because
sa
it
number
went
4.
right
Wala
through
pang
the 8
tumatalo dito kay Reyes. mga kabilyar. At dito nga makakalaban ni Efren Reyes, isa rin sa pool master ng Asia, no, si Alan Lim. Nag-break siya dyan pero masaklap kaya back to table si Reyes.
Efren looking around the table. Cue ball very far away. Welcome to the booth. Ish.
Hi, Lawrence.
Ish.
So it's unfortunate for Alan here. He had a scratch right off the break.
So now Efren can surgically open up this rack.
So our challenge matches today are longer than the previous day. It's raised to 3. So these guys actually get this once in a lifetime opportunity to actually play a match against Efren on a TV table
On the TV
nonetheless.
table. More like watch a match maybe.
At dito nga mukhang may pagkakalagyan itong kalaban ni Efren Reyes ni si Alan Lim, no? Makikita natin dito. Maganda yung ball position ni Reyes. Tingnan natin kung ma-run out niya ito at tapusin na itong laban.
This tournament.
That's true. I mean, it's something else, right? To be able to be on this stage playing with the magician. How many people really get
At dito nga kinaliwa pa ni Reyes, no, yung tira na yun at nakakuha pa ng magandang ball position dito sa solid ball mga kabilyar, no. Last 3 balls si Reyes dito bago ang 8 at tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan ni Reyes itong 4, no, para dito sa 2.
tough
Long
match?
rail shot here. What a
Wow.
shot. Oh my gosh. What a shot there. Like it was nothing.
But people here are just staring, right? And like
I
no
know.
reaction.
Look at that. Cutting it. Even hiding it behind the 14.
At dyan nga nakita natin medyo alanganin yung posisyon ng 8. Tingnan natin kung masungkit ni Reyes ito at may panalo niya itong laban na ito mga kabilyar. Sakto ba ang laban na yan? Mukhang eksakto nga mga kabilyar. Yun, panalo si Efren Reyes. Thank you guys for watching.
Okay, he's scratching his
Was
head and